Welcome to a new video. In this tutorial I will show you step by step how to start automatically Oracle Apex and ORDS on Windows with one-click solution. For this we have to create a batch file. You will also find all these different codes here in the blog post, and I will also add the link in the video description, so you can easily open this blog post and copy and paste it. So let's get started. First of all, here I will show you, this is the virtual machine where is ORDS already running, and if I click here on the refresh, then you can see Oracle Apex is running. But if I close this console and then I refresh, then you can see nothing is happening. So I have to restart the ORDS. So the normal way is that I have to go here on the start and CMD, then I have to move to my ORDS folder. So it's here on the C drive, C, then ORDS, then I have to copy this and CD here. So if I'm here, then I have to write, or I will paste it for now. Normally I have to write every time this code, and then if I press enter, then you can see the ORDS will be running. But we want to save this, and for this we have to create a batch file. So I will close this and make this smaller and refresh. Now you can see here the Oracle Apex is running, but currently over the most manual steps. So I will click here on the start, open the notepad, and I will paste the code which you see here. The code is the first one, this one. I will copy the code and then I will paste it here. You have to be sure that your ORDS is here in this folder. As you can see here, if I open this folder and go here to the ORDS, then you can see ords.var is here in this folder. So what is happening here, we are going first here to this folder path, and then we are starting this command. So with this command the ORDS will be started. So then I will save this as a batch file. I write here start with BAT, then I will save this, and then I can close it. I refresh, it's working, and then if I close this, now you can see here nothing is working. And here is our start. If I double click this, and automatically ORDS will be started here, and Oracle Apex will be also started. We will also create here another batch file. This is for the stopping, so you can come back here to the blog post and copy this code, and you have to paste it here. Then you save this, for example with the stop, save this, and yeah, if I refresh multiple times, you can see ORDS or Oracle Apex is running. But if I click here, also if I open the stop batch file, then you will see ORDS is closed. And if I also refresh here on the Chrome, then you can see that Oracle Apex is not working. So I hope now in this small video you know how to create this batch file to start ORDS with one-click solution. Thanks for watching.